Meat, meat, meat. Almost everyone eats it. It's a part of every meal, but little too many people know how detrimental meat is to our bodies and the environment. Let's face it, meat is delicious to many people, but meat has its side effects. Colon cancer, yes, cancer has been directly linked to meat consumption. Also, with meat, there is an increased risk of heart problems. The production of meat also is not efficient in any way. Our team of investigators and researchers who spent many hours on this topic found mind-boggling results. About one-third of the total land in America is used to raise livestock. And also, there are 300 million people in the United States, and per every person, there are 400 gallons of fuel used to feed them. A lot of the usage of this fuel is a result of the production of meat. Another problem with raising livestock is the water consumption. Dry cattle, meaning they do not produce milk, use 12 to 15 gallons of water a day, and lactating cows use a staggering 40 gallons of water a day. Us humans are recommended to drink only half a gallon of water a day. It is clear that the energy put into raising livestock does not equal the amount of energy we get from eating it. All of this excludes the fact of the mistreatment of the nation's livestock. Chickens are one of the most abused animals. Here is how farmers collect their chickens for the slaughterhouse. At the slaughterhouse, the chickens' necks are split and most are boiled alive in order to remove their feathers. Pigs also go through their mistreatment. For instance, if a pig does not grow fast enough, even when fed steroids to encourage growth, they are killed by slamming the pig head first on the floor. And the beloved cow is simply grown to produce milk and give the biggest yield. Many cows that can't walk due to their steroid-rich growth are still hauled off trucks. Even cows with tumors and pus-filled wounds are still slaughtered for human consumption. All of this mistreatment just to put meat on your plate. Eating meat is not efficient. Now, eating non-meat products, essentially vegetables and fruits, is more resourceful. Many researchers have stated that if everyone were to become a vegetarian, there would be enough food to feed the entire planet. Eating lower on the food chain, as they call it, is more beneficial towards humans and the environment. Eating vegetables high in fiber regulate the bowels, and vegetables reduce heart complications. Many people ask, how am I supposed to get the protein I need? Well, legumes, which are peas, beans, peanuts, etc., are rich in protein and are in an abundance. Now, the complete halt of meat consumption right now is just not ethical. Too many people love its flavor, but if we decrease the amount of meat eaten over time, a gradual halt is more reachable. If everyone tried to eat lower on the food chain, there would be less oil consumption, less animal mistreatment, and more importantly, more people would be able to be fed throughout the world.